What if entertainment wasn't just on a screen, but a real, tangible experience? Welcome to the world of location-based entertainment, or LBE. It's where stories come to life, where adventures unfold in physical spaces, and where technology transforms how we play and learn. From immersive escape rooms to interactive museums, LBE is redefining how we engage with entertainment. But how can we make these experiences even more accessible and engaging for everyone? That's the question we're exploring. Specifically, our research asks, how can we use technology to reduce barriers to accessing location-based entertainment? We believe that technology has the power to break down physical, sensory, cognitive, economic, and cultural barriers, making LBE truly inclusive. To answer this question, we're taking a unique approach. We're going straight to the source, observing how people naturally interact with exhibits at selected museums. We're focusing on qualitative research, capturing the nuances of visitor behavior without the influence of signage or directed learning. We've developed a detailed observation protocol, documenting everything from how people approach exhibits to their nonverbal cues and group dynamics. We're using field notes, sketches, and, with permission, photography to gather rich, descriptive data. By analyzing these observations, we hope to uncover valuable insights into how technology can enhance accessibility and engagement in LBE.
Our group member Len observed two groups in the Power Up area, which is a digital gaming exhibition. The first group was a young boy and his father. The child was exploring freely between different games while the father followed, occasionally guiding him. This showed that parental presence can help children navigate tech-based experience more easily. The second group was a set of teenage boys. They ran straight to a multiplayer game and immediately started competing, shouting and laughing. Their behavior shows that when interfaces are simple and intuitive, users, especially young people, can engage right away, even without instruction. In my own observation, I focused on a child area in another part of the museum. I saw a group of children gathering around an exhibit, so I walked over, even without reading any sign. It was clear that the space was designed for kids. All the exhibits were half as tall as an adult, and all the labels were positioned at child height. I had to bend down to read them, but kids could see everything comfortably. This layout clearly prioritizes child accessibility, helping them engage more independently. One exhibit stood out, a sensory station where children explored 6 different textures using both hands: soft, rough, smooth, hard, patterned, and spiral. A blue sign in the center asks, "Can you feel the pattern?" This invited them to explore through touch. I thought it was not only fun but also very inclusive, especially for children with visual impairment. They could participate equally by relying on tactile interaction instead of vision. This kind of multisensory design in HCI supports accessibility across different user needs. I also noticed several audio-based exhibits that used headphones. They were popular, so me and my friend tried some of them. Honestly, we didn't quite understand the content, which made me wonder, should this exhibit offering multiple language options? I believe being able to choose a language would make the experience smoother and more inclusive, especially for international visitors or non-native speakers. Near one of the screens, I saw an elderly woman sitting for a long time. That screen had audio, subtitles, and even sign language, a great example of multimodal communication. It allows people to access content in the format that works best for them, whether they prefer reading, listening, or visual cues. Based on our observation, we found that thoughtful use of technology can significantly reduce barriers to access in LBE. Whether it's special design that welcome children, tactile installations that support visually impaired users, or multi-language and multimodal features that make content more widely accessible, these all contribute to inclusive interaction. At the same time, our own experience with single language audio content highlights an important area for improvement. Overall, we believe that designing with diverse use in mind across age, ability, and language is key to creating more welcoming and engaging LBE experience.
Moving on to the traditional exhibition, I went to the Westminster Abbey. It was a great experience to spend time as it's not too far from Farnham. There are many different parts of them to explore, so I have to focus only one part of them. The gallery named the Queen Diamond Jubilee Galleries, as I am the first time visitor there. I was eager to immerse myself in century of British history. The gallery consists of the four parts: the Abbey construction, the religion routine and events, the British monarchy, and the national memorials. All parts present their items, drawings, models, and part of architectural works. Upon my entering, there are the wooden model of the abbey and architectural works which caught my eye and made me observe them thoroughly. After that, as there are no explicit signage to tell the order and direction, so I just moved myself to the next unoccupied displayed item. I have examined some documents, such as Magna Carta and the marriage license of the Princess and Prince of Wales. My item Many items in the gallery, especially related to the British monarchy, have attracted me a lot, as there are some things that I eager to learn new things, especially in the history. However, when I looking in the religious past, I feel a little bit disconnected and make me bored, as I'm not a Christian, so maybe sometimes I don't feel it related to me. Another thing to consider that each item provide a little brief, a little of the place. There consists only the name, the date of creator, and a little bit of brief. Some of them don't have detail of them, so I have to search their name and the year of creation on the internet on my own phones. Even the gallery is not the LBE one. It's not the LBE technology, but looking in the traditional exhibition has allowed us to find some room for improvement in terms of implement the technology into the LBE ones.
Thank you for watching.